guys, it's Freddy from Game Logics, and this is part 2 of our tutorial series how to make color switch game in Unity. Okay, so I have only included the textures that we need in this tutorial. Okay, so the complete project link will be provided in the description. Okay, so you will find it there. You will find the link to this complete project in the description. Okay, I am gonna include that, and there you can find a folder name color switch materials, and inside that folder you need to look for another folder which is by the name of textures and materials and materials double end. Okay, twice. The end is used two times. Okay, so textures and materials. So inside that folder you can find these things. Okay, these UI, these sprites. Okay, so for the background I need this one. Okay, so and its color is going to be, why it's not changing its color? Why? And for the logo I need this one. So let's give it a bit, let's make it a bit, let's give it some width and height. Okay, so I think that we are good to go now. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Okay, so yeah, it's done. And now I think you got it. Okay, how to do it? Okay, so you have to apply the stretch, and then you have to make all these left, top, bottom, and right. You have to assign them a value of 0. Okay, so then it will occupy the complete space of this canvas, you can say. Okay, so yeah, and now I need to create a script. Okay, and the purpose of that script will be to not uh, let this canvas get destroyed. Okay, so that will be the main purpose of that script that I am going to create. Okay, because we need this canvas and other scenes. Okay, because of this black background. Okay, so we don't need to this canvas shouldn't be destroyed. Okay, after we switch to another scene. Okay, so I am going to write a script for that purpose, which will not let this canvas get destroyed. Okay, so its name should be feather reference. setup. And one other thing is that you should keep in mind that don't give space, okay, while you are naming your scripts, okay, because the spaces are not allowed while we name our scripts, okay. So keep that in mind. So let's write the code for our feather reference setup. Okay, so let's give it a proper format that I like. And we need, I think that I should provide a bit zoom. Hmm? Yeah, it's okay now. So we need to create a few data members. Is going to be raw image. Oh, so as you can see, I can't access the raw image. And why is that so? Because we need uh, to include a particular Unity namespace, Unity engine dot UI. Now I will be able to access the raw image. Okay, so its name should be raw feather image. And another game object, we need another member of data member of game object, and its name should be parent canvas, because I am going to assign it our parent canvas. Mhm. I am with canvas. Another should be a public as well as static. Okay, because we need to make sure that it has only one instance. Okay, and it can be called by using the name of this class, but uh, we don't need to call this. Okay, and this its name should be our feather. Okay, and another data member is going to be bool is application quitting. Okay, so this is a data member that we will need in some other scripts, but not this one. Okay, but why I'm creating this? Because it will serve the main purpose of not letting destroy our parent canvas. Okay, so and I don't need this update method in this script, and this should be not start, it should be awake. So awake is the method that is called when the script is enabled. Okay, so it is called even before the start method. So what I need to do now is simply I am going to assign the canvas that shouldn't be destroyed to this parent canvas game object. And how to do this is going to be this dot transform dot parent dot game object. Okay, and now don't destroy on load parent canvas. Okay, so what it does is basically what this method does, this don't destroy on load, what it basically does is it will not let our parent canvas get destroyed, okay, when we switch to another scene. So simple as that. Okay, so in this way we can access the parent of a game object. Okay, so like this this means our feather reference setup class, okay, the instance of this class, and then its transform. Okay, and then its parent. Let me show you. uh, Transform means its position. Okay, it's transform, and then its parent is this feather canvas. Okay, and it's a game object. Everything you can say and everything in the unity you can say is a game object. Okay, so in this way we can do this. Our required behavior is done. Okay, the thing that we need is done. So now what we need is if our feather reference, if it's equal to null, means that we haven't assigned anything to our feather reference, then our feather reference needs to point to its own instance. This means its own instance, the instance of this feather reference setup. So it will point to its own instance. Okay, so it will point to its own instance, and then as if our feather reference is not equal to this. Okay, so means that it's not pointing to its own instance, then we need to destroy our feather reference. Okay, so now mm, now what we need is simply, okay, so now our feather image, this dot get component, what the hell? Okay, so this will assign our raw image to this feather image, this one. Okay, this image. As you can see, this dot means the script. Okay, so the script which is attached to this image will get the component. Okay, because it has this component raw image, so it will get the component and it will assign that component to this filler image, and it's of type raw image. Okay, so it's almost done, and now on destroy. Okay, so on destroy is called when we exit our play mode, this play mode, or when we switch to another scene, like when the scene is destroyed, you can say. Okay, why the hell are we getting this message? Okay, so we haven't attached this to. Now this error should be gone. Okay, so it's gone now because we didn't attach this fader reference setup to this fader image. Okay, So now it has been attached, and the last thing is left, which is this one, is application quitting. So now it will have the value of true. Okay, so this will assign this raw image. This raw image will be assigned to this feather image in the runtime. Let me show you how. Okay, so now it is nothing. But now let's see. See, the feather image is attached to this and the parent canvas also. Okay, so don't destroy here. You can see. Okay, so it will not get destroyed. Okay, so I think that you got the idea. Okay, it's a black screen, so we don't want this black screen to destroy. Okay, we don't want this black screen to get destroyed while we switch to another scene. Okay, so and um, on destroy is executed when we switch to another scene or when we exit the play mode. Let me show you also this one. Let's have a debug message, debug.log, which will say on destroy is executed. Okay, so let's see that in action. As you can see, we can't see anything um, in the console, but as soon as I exit our play mode, we will see a message down here. See? Okay, so you got the idea. Okay, so this is it for this tutorial, guys. And if you didn't understand anything, if you have confusions in anything in this tutorial, then let me know in the comments and give it a thumbs up if you really liked this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. And till then, take care of yourselves, and guys, see you in the next tutorial.